Welcome to Blossom English TV. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly. Welcome to day 3 of our daily English speaking practice. I am so proud of you for showing up today. This is exactly how real progress happens, one day at a time. Fluent speaking in English is not magic. It is simply consistent daily speaking practice. You don't need to be perfect from day 1. You just need to keep going. Today, we will focus on practicing a brand new set of very easy and simple daily sentences for day 3. These are the sentences you actually use in your real life every single day. Listen carefully to my voice and repeat exactly how I say it. Just 10 minutes of speaking practice each day can change everything. Your pronunciation, your confidence, and your fluency will all grow. Remember, this is more than just a video. This is your personal speaking class. Come back every day and practice with me. It is absolutely okay to make mistakes. That is how our brains learn and grow. Your brain needs repetition and practice to master a new language. Just copy, repeat, and speak loudly. So, grab a glass of water, put your headphones on, take a deep breath, and let's begin the practice. I am right here with you every step of the way. You already know the rules. Listen carefully. Repeat after me and watch the screen. Let's speak English clearly and confidently together. I will speak each sentence 3 times, slow, clear, and natural. You can always pause the video if you need more time to practice. All right, lovely learners, let's begin with sentence number 1. Please switch on the ceiling fan. Please switch on the ceiling fan. Please switch on the ceiling fan. Where did you put my reading glasses? Where did you put my reading glasses? Where did you put my reading glasses? Great job. Let's continue. I am going to wash the dirty dishes now. I am going to wash the dirty dishes now. I am going to wash the dirty dishes now. Can you explain this simple rule to me? Can you explain this simple rule to me? Can you explain this simple rule to me? I forgot to lock the front door. I forgot to lock the front door. I forgot to lock the front door. Let us sit together and drink some tea. Let us sit together and drink some tea. Let us sit together and drink some tea. How much money do you have in your wallet? How much money do you have in your wallet? How much money do you have in your wallet? I need to wash my clothes today. I need to wash my clothes today. I need to wash my clothes today. Do you want to watch a good movie tonight? Do you want to watch a good movie tonight? Do you want to watch a good movie tonight? Almost there. Let's try the last one. Thank you for being such a wonderful friend. Thank you for being such a wonderful friend. Thank you for being such a wonderful friend. Wow! You just completed day 3 speaking practice on Blossom English TV. Give yourself a massive pat on the back. You are doing amazing. You are truly wonderful, and I am really, really proud of you. Remember, you can always pause this video anytime, repeat the sentences, and keep practicing. The more you speak out loud, the better your pronunciation will become. Consistent practice is the only secret to speaking easy and real English. Until next time, keep your energy high, keep smiling, and remember that you can absolutely do this. I believe in you. Thank you for learning with Blossom English TV. Don't forget to subscribe for your daily practice. See you tomorrow.